All right, guys, if you're seeing this and you're having issues seeing at night when you're driving, or maybe you just don't like the look of your headlights, these ones were actually on a accurate SUV. The owners hadn't driven this car in a few months due to some issues with the transmission, I believe. And the first step that they took was actually getting their headlights restored. We came in and got their lights super clear. They really do look brand new. That's actually super crazy. You can see inside and everything. If you want to get your lights restored, I would love to do it for you. We're IE Headlight Restoration. You can message us here or give me a call at 951-807-1359. Have a great day.